Welcome to Car Magica, your destination for the latest reviews, in-depth specs, and expert insights into cars, motorhomes, and high-end luxury vehicles. Today, we dive into the world of elite business class travel with the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter VIP Klassen Big Van, a mobile lounge designed for executives, influencers, and anyone who demands first-class comfort on the road. Built by Klassen, a company renowned for transforming standard vehicles into rolling sanctuaries. This Sprinter redefines what a van can truly be. Asterisk from the outside. The 2025 Klassen Sprinter exudes understated elegance with a sleek, elongated profile, bold grille, and LED matrix headlights that give it a modern yet authoritative road presence. It rides on 20-inch alloy wheels with custom Klassen touches, while privacy-tinted windows and electric sliding doors enhance both style and security. The exterior finish is customizable with multiple rich paint options, from satin blacks to metallic grays, offering a premium, business-ready look wherever you go. Asterisk under the hood. The VIP Klassen Sprinter is powered by a refined 3.0 LV6 turbo diesel engine mated to a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering power with exceptional efficiency. Paired with adaptive air suspension, this van glides effortlessly over city streets and highways, giving passengers a smooth, quiet, and comfortable ride. Whether it's airport pickups, cross-country business tours, or luxury group travel, it's engineered to make the journey as important as the destination. Asterisk, the interior is where this vehicle truly transforms. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of handcrafted luxury. The cabin is fully soundproofed and appointed with the finest Napa leather, wood veneer panels, and ambient LED lighting. Individual captain's chairs feature full recline, massage, heating, and cooling functions. The space is intelligently designed with 2 lounge zones, an optional conference setup, and even a minibar for refreshments on the go. Asterisk technology integration is exceptional. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, and entertainment, while passengers enjoy a built-in Apple TV, wireless charging pads, and ultra-thin OLED smart displays. Premium surround sound from Bang & Olufsen optional creates a experience inside. There's also 5G Wi-Fi, encrypted communication systems, and a retractable privacy partition, turning this van into the ultimate office or VIP retreat on wheels. Asterisk safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, a 360-degree camera, and night vision capabilities. Additional options include armored protection, fire suppression systems, and satellite GPS tracking, making it ideal for high-profile clients, corporate executives, or secure transport requirements. Asterisk the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter VIP Klassen Big Van is not just a luxury van, it's a mobile executive suite, a personal cinema, and a private jet on wheels all in one. Whether for work, leisure, or both, it ensures every journey is done in absolute comfort, security, and style. Asterisk if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Car Magica. Stay with us for more coverage of luxury vehicles, high-tech motorhomes, and exclusive automotive experiences from around the world.